MrBeast, the top YouTuber today, boasts a staggering 384 million subscribers. His videos often surpass 100 million views within a month of release. Originally in English, his content is dubbed into 22 languages, including major ones like Chinese
不用客气，我来告诉你其中原理。只要有人能完整的看完这个视频
Hindi
प्रोग्राम चला पाएंगे।
खाना मिलने की वजह से पूरी कम्युनिटी बहुत खुश है। मैं इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ क्योंकि अब स्टूडेंट्स
Spanish
Ok, nos sentamos en la mesa de los niños cool. ¿Y qué les parece? ¿Está rico?
Está muy bueno.
¿Sí sabe bien?
Sí.
German
Programms sind mehr Kinder zur Schule gekommen als je zuvor. Also fanden wir sollten die Klassenzimmer aufmotzen.
and Japanese.
机に4人は無理があるよね。
もともとは2人用なの。
本当に？
The Japanese dubbing even features a voice reminiscent of Naruto's Junko Takeuchi, adding a unique flair to the narrative.
ありがとうだってばよ。
For creators like me, while I can't afford such high-end dubbing, AI-generated voice are a fantastic alternative. The advancement in AI voice cloning have made it possible to translate my videos into about 10 languages.
方を紹介します。素晴らしい画像や動画を無料で作成する準備はできましたか？さあ、始めましょう。
Although my subtitles are limited, with only 2 available, I'm hopeful for improvements soon.
生成のために 1.2.1 に統合する方法を紹介します。
I can also translate captions alongside the vocal tracks, and I will guide you through the process. How to dub your videos in multiple languages. Access YouTube Studio, click on your channel icon, and select the languages option. Review language options. Notice how older videos might have fewer language options compared to newer uploads, which now support 10 or 11 languages. Publish audio tracks. Titles and descriptions are auto-translated, but audio tracks need to be published manually. Click Publish to activate AI-generated dubbing. Manage captions. While English captions are auto-generated, I prefer customizing them for clarity. AI-generated captions might not fully capture your intended message yet. Check Settings. If you don't see those options, don't worry. This feature is new and will soon be available to more creators. In Settings under Upload Defaults, enable automatic dubbing and manually review dubs before publishing for better control. Monitor and update. After a short wait, your audio tracks will be live. While captions are limited, you can use auto-translate to reach a wider audience. For new YouTubers, if you don't see language options, keep creating and uploading. More features will unlock as you grow. Keep pushing forward, and may your channel flourish. By embracing these tools, you can expand your reach and connect with a global audience. Good luck and happy creating. If you find my content help you a little, please consider subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.